Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Pro Solid 9. Here, you will learn SolidWorks from the absolute basics to advanced. Today, I'll show you 3 essential sketch line tools in SolidWorks: line, center line, and midpoint line. We will start from the moment SolidWorks opens, so let's begin. When SolidWorks open, we always create a new part. Here, new part. Because every 3D model, every feature, and every sketch starts inside a part environment. This is the foundation of any design. Click here and here. Now we have a part. Before drawing anything, we need a plane. Front plane, top plane, and right plane. A plane basically is a 2D workspace where our sketch lives. SolidWorks needs a reference surface to understand where the lines and shapes exist in 3D space. So I'll select front plane and click sketch. Let's start with the basic line tool here. Line, center line, and midpoint line. You can activate it from the toolbar or simply press L. Click once to start, move your mouse, click again to finish. 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 And for quit of this tool, double click. You see small icon here in green color. SolidWorks add these relations automatically. Next is the center line. A center line is not a physical geometry. It won't create a solid body. It used as a reference for symmetry, revolve, feature, angle, dimensions, and construction geometry. Move your mouse and click, and for quit, double click. And finally, the midpoint line. Here, midpoint line. This automatically starts the line from the midpoint of where you click. Here, the midpoint. Everyone you click. And you have a midpoint line. Double click for quit. This is super useful when modeling brackets, handles, arms, or any design that need clean symmetry. So, at the end, quick recap: line, basic geometry, center line, reference and symmetry, midpoint line, fast symmetric sketching. In the next lesson, we will learn about circle. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.